Determining fault in a motor vehicle accident is something that's assessed on a case-by-case basis. If that fault is more than 50%, the injured party wouldn't be able to recover. However, if the fault is 50% or less, then that percentage of fault is reduced from the jury award or any settlement that is recovered in the case. This is an excellent reason why a personal injury attorney should be retained so you understand the facts of the accident and how fault might be attributable to you or against the at-fault party.